Right, okay, so I'm just snipping these kind of longer branches off just to make my life just a little bit easier. So yeah, tiny garden transformation here. So hedge and grass. So I'm starting off with my HLA 56 hedge trimmer. I use this on all kind of tidy up jobs like this. I do have a steel combi for reductions, but this is absolutely spot on. And again, all my links to all my gear is in the description box. So it's just a rough cut first here, and I'm also trimming the neighbour's side, so I've got a little free hedge cut there. And then once you've done your rough cut, I go in and shape it, you know, get a nice tight finish on it. It's interesting because when I watch this back, you'll see that to the left of the tree, the hedge is a lot tighter than to the right of the tree. Now, there's a little bit next to the lamppost where I was leaving, because you couldn't quite see it, but it was a little bit bare and I wanted it to grow out slightly. But I did go back and sort of trim that right hand side because it wasn't as tight. And it's weird because I couldn't really see that. It's strange to say with the naked eye. It seems obvious when you're looking at it here, but anyway, so that's why I like it when I do film stuff, so you kind of get a different, like, not view, but a different kind of look to the jobs. Really, that didn't really make sense, but anyway. So yeah, so obviously picked the windiest day. I was fighting the elements, just stuff was blowing all over. And yeah, obviously the lawn was just full of weeds. I don't know when it was last cut. This was just a one-off. I did do some work in the back garden as well. But anyway, so on with me mower. So that'll get the majority of the hedge clippings up, and this is just the highest setting. But behind the camera was their car. Now they were away on holiday, and you know, when it comes to strimming, I was really conscious of the car. But it was okay. I didn't flick any stones up on it or anything. But yeah, so in with the rake, but I ended up just getting on my hands and knees and just grabbing stuff out. Sometimes it's the easiest way. So there's like all sorts of matted grass, you know, from the previous cut, I'm guessing, and just loads of leaves and rakes and weeds and things. So yeah, in with the strimmer. As I say, I was conscious of the car. And try to establish some sort of edge on it as well, just to neaten the whole thing up. Yeah, so that right hand side of the hedge I did trim after I'd finished filming and everything. As I say, when I watched it back, it just didn't look as tight as, you know, what it could get it, you know. And yeah, just trying to keep everything on the lawn rather than all on the street and on the road, but it was impossible. So yeah, so back on with a more slightly lower setting, so that'll like pick up all the bits of stuff and you know, make it that bit neater. But as I say, this lawn was horrendous. I think they're going to maintain it themselves, so that I don't think I'll be back to do any like fortnightly visits or anything like that. But it yeah, give them a little start, a little helping hand on getting it sorted for the spring. So yeah, hopefully you think I've done a decent job. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Cheers guys.